Welcome to Mart AI training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to create a done-for-you Amazon affiliate site using Mart AI. Click on Create Site and you will be on Create Site page. Now fill in the required details like subdomain name of your choice, your preferred niche. You can choose multiple niches or can choose all niches at once. Description of your site. Once you fill in all the details and click on Submit button, and your done-for-you Amazon affiliate site is ready. You can update your site. Once you choose the site settings option, you can edit your created site. You can set up all your required details here related to your site. You can add SEO related details here like meta title, meta description, tags, etc. You can add your Google Pixels or Facebook Pixels script here. If you want to add a live chat option on your sites, then you can add a live chat script also here. You can collect your site analytics data directly into your Google Analytics by adding the script here. You can add any third-party script also here based on your requirement. You can run ads on your site from here by adding an ad script. You can manage footer content and site social media links also from here. You can also add your WhatsApp number here so your website visitor can direct contact you via WhatsApp. You can add logos and favicons to your website here. You can enable or disable pop-ups on your sites from here. You can also add a custom domain to your website if you want. You can also share your site to your desired platform. Thanks for watching the video.